Do you want to start your own small business? With Daqin Custom Mobile Case Machine, you can easily start your own small business of making and selling custom mobile phone skin and mobile phone case for any model mobile phone. It is on-demand production business. No need to worry about inventory problem. It can produce custom vinyl mobile skin that printed with customized picture and also can produce special texture skin such as camouflage, wood grain, carbon fiber, icy matte, colorful matte, leather, color changing, glow in dark, super shining, light sensitive, temperature sensitive and so on. Daqin Company provide everything necessary for you to start this business for the first time easily. The full package include software of 3D Daqin Mobile Beauty Master, printing machine, lamination machine, cutting machine, tools, film materials and English training videos. Daqin provide free update service for the software. From time to time, there will be new model of mobile phone templates added into the software through online updating. The update service is free forever. One-time payment and you can use the software forever. This business project is suitable for everyone to start own small business at home. Also suitable for mobile accessories store, mobile phone repair store, mobile phone store, gift store, shopping mall kiosk and so on. If you have interest of starting this business, please visit Daqin official website to learn more information.